welcome to our exciting episode of Roller Coaster C/D. Today we're going on the Aviator. I don't remember what it's called off the top of my head, but in the meantime, it should be a lot of fun. So this is the Amara Aviator. About ready to go soon. Yes, we're good to go. Okay, here we go. All right. Oh. Oh, God. How do I turn myself upside down? Oh, no. I don't know how to do this. No. In the meantime, there's a... let's hold it. Maybe I can hold it. Maybe if I like... Oh, God. Oh, here we go. Oh, God. Oh, we're tilted a little bit. Oh, God. Now it's over. Wow. Didn't know how to do the controller thing since it was obviously my first time on it, but in the meantime, that was a good ride. And thank you for watching and listening. I hope to see you right back here in the very near future.